All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 110,000 miles from Sonoma County, California. Yes, this is a California vehicle and it doesn't have any rust on her whatsoever. Original bright white from factory. This vehicle was a former Probation Department vehicle, not used for patrol. Vehicle does have door dings and it does have some minor scratches. Once again, the scratches are hidden within the paint. Door dings are visible and I will point those out to you as I make my way around the vehicle. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. It has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere. Let me stop right here. I do have fresh new window tint. That's going to be a 15% all around, not too dark, not too light, and just perfect for us here in California. This is going to be an all-wheel drive vehicle. Yes, I do apologize. Vehicle does have 110,000 miles. This is going to be the 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive. Once again, this is going to be the 3.7 all-wheel drive vehicle. Police Interceptor Ford Explorer, folks. Cream of the crop right here. No holes on the body whatsoever. Well, actually there is one in the roof where the actual antenna is, and I will go ahead and get up close and personal so that you see what I'm talking about. Folks, the whole vehicle looks great and she does draw a lot of attention driving down the road. I've been getting that lately, driving her up and down as I do my errands and making sure she's good to go before she was put out for sale. Vehicle does have a great set of Goodyear Eagles 245s, 55 18s. The steel wheels look nice and black and glossy, so I didn't have to retouch them up. They are good as they are. Great set of tires from the department, folks, let me tell you. Great set of tires from the department. Let me back up right here. I'm gonna show you some door dings. They're mainly on the front door. You guys can kind of see them right there. You see it right there, guys? Right here where my finger is. All right. These are the door dings that these vehicles have, and I'm sure this was parking lot scars right there. That's for sure. No spotlights ever built in on the vehicle. No spotlights. All right, folks. Yes, when the car first came in, it was a nightmare. It was dirty. It was dusty, and of course, like every other car that comes through me, it did require a little bit of attention. So every car that does come through me, they do get everything that they need. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lenses in the front. Factory LEDs on this bad boy. They look super nice, by the way, super nice. License plate bracket is in place. Once again, no spotlights. This was not a patrol unit, and it belonged to the Probation Department of Sonoma County. Once again, on the driver's side door, I do have door dings. Same spot, same area. Right along the crease right there. Let me turn around. Folks, once again, I want to make sure you see everything that I'm seeing. That way I don't get a call say, hey Mario, you didn't tell me about this. Well guys, everything's there. Got an outdoor ding right there, folks. Alright, let's continue. Let's go to the roof. This is an actual antenna. It appears to be like a GPS antenna that came with the car, so I'm leaving that alone. Great, nice little utility SUV here. I'm sorry, utility Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. I'm still trying to get it together, guys, as you guys can already tell. Some of you guys are probably laughing. That's okay. And once again, I'm on my neighbor's way. I guess they gave me the okay that fit. Okay, great. It's about that time that everybody's coming home. All right, folks, let's go to the rear here. Folks, I do have a what it appears to be a brand new rear seat. Leather rear seat, all seat belts and buckles are in place, as you guys can see. Vinyl flooring, very easy to clean. Door handles on the rear doors are disabled. Rear door switches do work, okay? Once again, the rear doors handles are disabled, but the switches do work. So minor tear here on the driver's side panel. Common issue on the newer Ford Explorers. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape. Passenger side seat, it appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have a new aftermarket center console. Vehicle did come with 4 keys, no key fob. 4 keys, no key fob. Hunt works. Light switches, map lights here. You can turn it on by pressing this switch right here. Electric retractable pedals, button right there, folks. All right, let's get inside. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I do have a super nice dashboard, no holes anywhere in the vehicle. She is super nice, folks, super nice. Everything does work. Cold air conditioner, stereo works. You know, she's everything you need. USB connection, auxiliary line in place. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Once again, 4 keys. Pressure lights are off. 110,000 miles. Once again, from Sonoma County, California. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. Factory built-in Bluetooth. Stereo does work. Bluetooth, I do not own the rights to the song. Air conditioner, nice and cold. You can control everything from there, right from the panel. Map lights do work manually, and you can do it by hitting the little switch here next to the headlight switch. Red LED, white LED. There she goes. Let's go ahead and go to the trunk. It's got a little switch right there. Sorry, it's kind of dark. Alright, there's a little switch right here that releases the trunk, folks. Ignition key has to be on for this switch to work. Just so you know. There you go. It took a minute to come back, but there it is. Alright, folks, this is the interior. This is the interior of the car. And I have customers calling me, so they're gonna have to wait 12 minutes. I only have 12 minutes, so I better make it count. And this is the trunk space for this vehicle. I do have full matching spare tire, full matching spare wheel. Tire is gonna be a Goodyear RSA. There you go, folks. This is the back. Let's go to the trunk. I was gonna say trunk. Let's go to under the hood, and I got to tell you guys all the services that were done by me when the vehicle arrived. Let me see if I can open the hood here, guys. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, sorry, I only have one hand here. No help. All right, here we go. Take a look. Alright folks, here we go, starting right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was servicing clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520. Oil service was done. Transmission service was done by Motorcraft LB, full synthetic. Please do not use anything else on this particular PTU here. It needs to be original equipment for best and better results. Battery appears to be new from the department, folks. I do have new posse quiet front brakes on this one. The brakes on the front were below 50%, so I went ahead and decided to replace them for you. Rear brakes are about 70%, so I went ahead and left that alone. All fluids have been topped off and checked, so everything is good to go, folks. Everything is good to go on this bad boy. Differential fluids were full. She was in pretty decent shape upon arrival, aside from being dirty and just needing the regular preventive maintenance, which is not hard to do. LED lights. Guys, I'm sorry, I gotta do this again. Air conditioner is nice and cold on this particular vehicle here. Once again, all my vehicles do get checked before they go out for sale. They do get driven around, so I want to make sure I deliver the right car to the right customer. All right, folks, this is my last and final countdown on this beautiful 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor with 110,000 miles, former Probation Department vehicle. Folks, if you're looking for, what do they call it, FPIUs? I hope I'm saying it right. Don't laugh at me, but I'm trying to get it together here, folks. If you're in the market for a great running utility, I do have one for you. Folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.